Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to make money online using ChatGPT and other AI technologies. In this video, we'll explore the various opportunities available and share some valuable tips. So, let's dive right in. AI technology has revolutionized many industries, including online entrepreneurship. One of the popular ways to leverage AI is by using ChatGPT, an advanced language model developed by OpenAI. Let's explore 5 effective ways to make money online using ChatGPT and other AI tools. Now that we've covered 5 ways to make money online with ChatGPT and other AI technologies, let's delve deeper into each method to help you maximize your earning potential. Number 1. Virtual assistant services. As a virtual assistant, you can offer a wide range of services to individuals and businesses. Beyond customer support, you can assist with administrative tasks, social media management, appointment scheduling, and more. To attract clients, showcase your expertise in AI-driven virtual assistants and highlight the benefits of using ChatGPT for seamless interactions and efficient problem-solving. Number 2. Content creation and copywriting. Content creation and copywriting are in high demand in the digital world. By leveraging ChatGPT's language generation capabilities, you can produce engaging blog posts, captivating social media content, persuasive sales copies, and SEO-friendly articles. Add value to your clients by tailoring the content to their target audience and optimizing it for search engines, ensuring maximum visibility and engagement. Number 3. Chatbot development. The demand for chatbots continues to rise, offering automated and personalized interactions to users. As a chatbot developer, you can utilize ChatGPT and other AI tools to build intelligent conversational agents. Create chatbots for customer support, lead generation, or even entertainment purposes. Showcasing the benefits of AI-powered chatbots, such as increased efficiency and 24/7 availability, will attract businesses looking to enhance their customer experience. Number 4. Online courses and tutorials. Online learning has become increasingly popular, and teaching AI-related topics can be a lucrative venture. Develop comprehensive online courses and tutorials that delve into the intricacies of ChatGPT and other AI technologies. Share your expertise, provide practical examples, and guide students on how to leverage AI to their advantage. Promote your courses through various platforms, employ effective marketing strategies, and engage with your audience to build a strong online presence. Number 5. AI consulting and advisory services. As businesses strive to harness the power of AI, they often require expert guidance. Position yourself as an AI consultant or advisor, offering your knowledge and insights on AI implementation, strategy development, and ethical considerations. Showcase your expertise in AI technologies, including ChatGPT, and demonstrate how it can drive innovation, optimize processes, and improve decision-making for businesses across various sectors. Remember, establishing credibility, honing your skills, and continuously staying updated with the latest AI advancements are crucial for success in this field. Embrace networking opportunities, collaborate with like-minded professionals, and consistently seek ways to enhance your AI expertise. We've explored 5 effective ways to make money online with ChatGPT and other AI technologies. From virtual assistant services to content creation, chatbot development, online courses, and AI consulting, each method offers unique opportunities for leveraging AI to generate income. Keep in mind that success in the online world requires dedication, perseverance, and a commitment to delivering high-quality services. Embrace the power of AI, harness its capabilities, and leverage ChatGPT and other AI tools to propel your online business forward. That wraps up today's video. I hope you found these insights valuable. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Feel free to leave your questions and thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy money making with AI.